Recently, I was in contact with a researcher about an interesting paper that they had published. And it was not open access. And I'm no longer at the university, so I don't have access by that. And in general, researchers are requested or very much encouraged to publish with open access, because this makes the findings more available for other people who are not maybe researchers, but who could be interested in the outcomes, entrepreneurial, business, or just general curiosity, because they are citizens who pay tax that contributes to the research fundings. And that researcher, when I pointed out that it was not open access, then he sent me a copy, asked not to spread to third parties, but I could read it and have the content. And later, he made it available with open access, so it could be reached by anyone. Very good. There was a second paper, which was interesting, and that was not either open access. And when I pointed this out, then researchers did nothing. Okay, they gave me a thumbs up. And then I have not accessed that paper. And for a career, if you want your findings to reach out, to be available much more, then you should do open access. In case that is not possible, then you can make the content accessible in different ways by presentations, disseminations, sharing in other ways. Often we think about conferences to present, but there you have the same community every time, or not, maybe not every time, but often it is other researchers in the same area. So it's a very limited group. But if you do a general presentation, like online, then you invite anyone who's interested, and then you discuss whatever is to be discussed when they ask questions. And in such way, you reach out much more in different ways, and you access other competencies, other disciplines, and reach out in much better way. Because if the research outcomes should actually be used, there will be other people involved when this is brought to market by exploitation, by sharing, or transferring knowledge, or whatever. There will be other people involved. So the open access is essential. And if it happens that you cannot publish with open access because it's a conference presentation or something like that, which is not having that open access, then you make the content available in other ways. And of these two researchers, if I would have a project and need some competence in that project, or there's building of consortium or another opportunity, which one of these do you think I will invite? Be active, do dissemination, share your results and discuss, and that will give you a lot of opportunities.